this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Apple Pay cash balance. To get started, find and open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and find and choose Wallet and Apple Pay. Real quick, you'll hear the terms Apple Pay and Apple Cash used back and forth. Apple Pay is the actual system that's built into your iPhone that makes digital payments possible. Apple Cash, on the other hand, is like a prepaid debit card that lives inside of your wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive money. So that's why you'll see both the terms used when you look up things like this. At the top, make sure that Apple Cash is enabled. Next, we're going to want to add a bank or a credit card if you haven't already. This is how we're going to fund our Apple Cash balance. To do this, just tap Add Card at the bottom underneath the Payment Cards section. On the next screen, tap Debit or Credit Card. There are a couple other choices inside of here if you'd like to use them, like if you have a bank app installed on your iPhone, or if you have an Apple account, but the debit or credit card is the most common way. Next, hit Continue, and then use your iPhone's camera to scan your physical card, or you can tap Enter Card Details manually at the bottom, and then enter the info if you want to do it that way. Confirm all the details and go through the bank steps, and once you're finished, you'll see your card has been added to the list back here at the main wallet menu. Now that we have all this set up, we can add money to our Apple Cash account. Tap your Apple Cash card here, and then on the next screen where you see your balance and info, choose Add Money. Enter the amount of money that you want to add to your Apple Cash balance, and then hit Add on the top right. Next, confirm where the funds are coming from, for instance, the card that we just added, and then use Touch or Face ID to finalize. After that, your money will transfer from your bank or your credit card and into your Apple Cash balance. After that, you can then use it to pay others through messages, or use it anywhere that Apple Pay is accepted. And that's how you add money to your Apple Pay cash account balance.